Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a BMW 5 Series. Let's start by laying down the foundational structure. First, lightly sketch the overall length and height of the car. Then, draw a simple box to represent the main body, ensuring it has the correct proportions. Finally, mark where the wheels will go, paying attention to their size relative to the body. This initial framework is crucial for a balanced drawing. Now, let's bring in those recognizable BMW features. Begin by sketching the iconic kidney grille and the sleek headlight designs. Next, define the wheel arches and the circular shape of the tires, ensuring they look robust. Don't forget to add the side mirrors and the main door lines to give the car its structure. These details really start to make your drawing look like a 5 Series. With the main features in place, it's time to refine the body. Gently add the subtle curves and sharp creases that define the 5 Series profile. Then, detail the windows, ensuring they have the correct angles and reflections. Finally, include smaller elements like the BMW logo, door handles, and any other badges to complete the exterior. These refinements add a lot of character. To make your drawing truly pop, let's focus on shading and highlights. Use varying pencil pressure to create shadows, giving the car a three-dimensional look. Then, add bright highlights to simulate reflections on the paint and glass, making it appear shiny. Take a moment to step back and review your work, making any final adjustments to ensure accuracy and impact. You've done a great job.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.